We have HIMS and HERS, guys. They just finished their Q3 earnings. This video is going to be a summary of all the top questions given, some of the questions that the analysts were asking. The stock is currently sitting at about $46. Let's go ahead and get started. Number one, the first question on all our minds is HIMS and HERS going to release a full stack subscription service that includes at-home testing, longevity treatments, peptides, coenzymes. They just recently released their testosterone for men and menopause for women. They did have a little teaser the next day, coming out November 13th. What a tease. What a tease. So could this be a sign that they're going to be releasing some at-home testing lab kit so we could have complete data of what's happening inside of us? So Andrew Dudum did indicate that before the end of 2025, they will be releasing whole body lab testing. Coming into 2026, longevity specialties, including peptides, coenzymes, more GLPs. They are currently ramping up the California peptide facility, but still to this day, one of the biggest hurdles include potential regulatory expansion. Next question after that earnings report, and we'll pull up some of that data real quick, but as you can see, HIMS and HERS top line revenue posting about 600 million, which was up 49% year over year, but huge slowdown in their earnings per share, down 80%, sitting on 2 consecutive quarters of declining free cash flow. And they also posted 15.8 million in net income, which is down 79% year over year. They posted 75.6 million last year. Is there a slowdown happening for HIMS and HERS with their core business? What is their plan and their timeline to reaccelerate that growth? And one of the main answers that the CFO did state, they will be rapidly evolving with new specialties coming out in 2026, and also that the HERS business will become a bigger portion of that total revenue line. They talk about how testosterone and menopause for women will be a big push into next year. And coming soon, of course, proactive health management, at-home lab diagnostics, and more personalized care should drive their future growth. And for the HERS segment, they do expect this new menopause category to bring in over $1 billion in revenue and to help drive growth. They're going to come from multiple lines in the HERS segment: dermatology, weight management, menopause, longevity, and diagnostics. Remember, they also purchased Zava in Europe. They're expanding into Mexico. They're expanding into Canada. They are not slowing down anytime soon. $45 now. What is HIMS and HERS doing for capital deployment? Are they still doing buybacks? Are they investing in the business? The main answer is yes. The main priority is growing that business platform for HIMS and HERS. They did talk about how they are still currently doing buybacks, and they're done when the market valuation is significantly below intrinsic value. With the strong cash flow they have and the amount of cash they're holding on their balance sheet, it allows them to make tactical investments and flexibility. And last but not least, one of the major questions is the Novo partnership. Are there negotiations going on? What are the pros and cons? Are they not getting sued anymore? What is the status of the negotiations? And are the two finally going to be friends? Well, specific details with the Novo partnership weren't really shared, but they are in active discussions with Novo Nordisk to make Wegovy injections, and once the FDA has approved Novo's oral Wegovy, they will be selling it on their platform to continue advancing consumer options. Remember, this quarter and into next year, they're going to be investing a lot into the business, funneling more money into research and development, sales and marketing to push their products. But as of right now, $46. Year to date, we're still up 82%. And in the past year alone, it's up over 100%. It's only a $10 billion company. They are one of the biggest disruptors in the healthcare sector. Let me know what you guys think below. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to like, subscribe, and we'll see you guys on the next video.